Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to another page on Wix. So let's get started. So for this one, let's just scroll down and you can just choose a text or an element that you can use in order to link that to another page. So in here, I have pages, which is the locations, home, product, contact, and all of this. So I want to link an element to products. So what I can do is I can click on an element. For this one, I'll just choose this button for shop. Click on this icon right here, which is the link icon. Then once I have done that, I just need to click on page and then choose what page. So for this, let's choose the page for products. And then how does it open? It can be in current window or new window. So for this one, I'll just choose this current window. Click on done. So once you're done editing that, you can see a preview of that once you click on preview. So let's see a preview of what it looks like. So let's just wait for that to finish loading. And in here is the preview of our edit. So click on shop right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will redirect you to a new page in here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to link to another page on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!